Welcome to Shannon's Big World 2019 time. Look at all these alerts I got. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 severe thunderstorm watches and 4 coastal flood warnings. Jeez, look at all these alerts. So looks like 1, 2, 3, 6 plus 4. Jeez, 10 alerts! Whoa! Oh. Jeez, alright, let's read each one of them. I know this will take a while. A severe thunderstorm watch for Abington in effect until November 15th at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm watch for current location in effect until November 15th at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. It will expire at 11 p.m. on November 15th. That lady scared me when she said it must have been from a storm shield and must have told me when I receive a weather alert. Like she said, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch. Now let's read this one. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Bel Air, South Maryland until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Source, U.S. National Weather Service. Now let's read this one. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Bel Air, South until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Source, U.S. National Weather Service. Let's watch this one. Severe thunderstorm watch for Hartford County expires in 5 hours and 23 minutes. Let's read this one. Coastal flood warning for Abington is now in effect until November 16th at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This one. Coastal flood warning for current location is in effect until November 16th, 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's read this one. Coastal flood warning has been extended. It will expire at 2 a.m. November 16th. Final one, finally. Coastal flood warning in effect for Bel Air, South Maryland until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until Monday, 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Source, U.S. National Weather Service. Channel alerts. What? 6 severe thunderstorm watches and 4 coastal flood warnings. Jeez, that's a whole lot. I've never done that much before. Oh well, let's wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave the comments down below. Press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Woo!